You have to buy a ticket here. This is the main gate of the Central Zoo in Kathmandu. Here is Jaulakhel Football Club, football ground, soccer ground, and there is a main road. Now let me go inside. Now we go inside now. You can see here, this way. Here's a very good, well map to go everywhere. For the exit, you have to go here. Now you can see here, this is spring, water spring, and there is a flag. There is field marshals or educational center. Let's make a round from this side. You are not allowed to speed here. Now this is for crocodile, alligators. You can see so many alligators there. The crocodile. Wow. This is a crocodile pond. Now let's go to the another spot. There's a drinking water place. Clean drinking water. You can fill up in the bottle also. After this crocodile pond, here is very nice kids playground. There are so many kids. They are playing over here. There are some rules, code of conduct for the zoo. Find toilet here. Just here, this side. Here's the playground zone. It's close to the main entrance of the Central Zoo. Now on the left side you can see. Now here is black rock. It's called Krishna Sagar. This one. This cage is empty. Now there's another cage. Wow, it looks nice. This is a blue bull. It's a blue bull. On the right side, here's the boating area. It's really nice, beautiful pond. And inside this area, there are so many dogs here. They are called Raja Hans, means king dogs. They are really, really big than normal dogs. There's a pond water for drinking water. To drink water for these all dogs, and there are pigeons also. So many pigeons. People are boating there. It looks a nice boating pond. You need to pay some extra fee for the boating here. These are barking deer. They are found in Asian countries, Nepal, India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Pakistan. Now here is a beautiful seating area. Here is another variety of deer. This is sambar deer. This deer is also especially found in Asian countries, especially in South Asian countries. You can see sambar deer. Now here is a photo shoot. Saved. Yeah, you can shoot a photo, very nice. Take photos here. So here is a statue of Johar Kumari Devi. She's mother of Sri Tin Juddha Shamsher. Now here is another kind of deer, Himalayan goral. Himalayan goral is here. With the Himalayan goral there. Okay. Small, yes, it's nice. Here you can see hog deer. In Nepal it is called Laguna. It's also found in Asian countries, mostly South Asian countries. Here it is in the corner. This one is a blue bull. He is also this blue bull. In Nepal it's called Nilgai. It's also found in Asian countries, mostly South Asian countries. You can see here. It's really very big. 120 to 240 kg. Here is a wild boar. It is called Jangali model in Nepali. Wild boar. It's really big, kind of pig. It's a wild form of pig. Now you can see the tiger. Tiger is just here. There is a temple. Now it says, "I'm here." The tiger is here. Let's see the tiger. You see the tiger, you'll see these monkeys. Rhesus monkey. So let's see this rhesus monkey. This is very popular. You can find these monkeys in most of the temples in Nepal, especially in Kathmandu. But this is called common langur. It's a langur bandar. And this is white in color. You can see they are in a big size also. You can find this monkey mostly in forest areas. Now you'll see the tiger here. There is hippopotamus. This hippopotamus is around 40 to 60 years old. Pigeons are everywhere on the way. Here is another variety of monkey, potas monkey. You can see the monkey here. Here is an elephant, a big giant elephant. Elephant is very popular in Nepal. Here is sloth bear. This bear is mostly found in Nepal, India, Bangladesh and Bhutan. This one is a sloth bear. Here is common leopard. Now you can see here a lot of seating places, picnic area. The crowd is to see elephant, tiger, bear, leopards. Here is pure drinking water. You can fill up your bottle also. Kote bhalu, sloth bear. Here is Himalayan black bear. Himalayan black bear is over there. This is African ostrich. Is emu. Emu is mostly found in Australia. You can see the emu. This is Saras crane. You can see the Saras crane there. Here is Saras crane. This is fan-tail pigeon. Fan-tail pigeon. Pigeons are very popular in Nepal. You can find many pigeons in temples.
See the rest of it. There's a Netflix video. Ajinga.
Turtles! Turtles are fish! Dang it! Daddy, look at these ones!